Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see over here. It's so good to be back, and I really missed you guys. So this video is just basically a colorful cut crease. It was actually inspired by Stacey Emiwe on Instagram, and this post has been on my Instagram for like about a month or two, I think so. Yeah, a month. Yeah, it's been on my Instagram about a month now, so I've not really been active here on YouTube due to some personal stuff I've been dealing with. But yeah, I just thought I should, post this video on YouTube for you guys because this look was super brown. So we're going to start with our eyes for this video, and as usual I'm using the LAGIRL Pro HD primer as our eyeshadow base. Yeah, so I'm just going to spread that out, and I'm going to blend that out using the fluffy brush. And now we're going to go into our eyeshadow palettes. So the eyeshadow palette I'm using is the MORPHE as usual. I love this palette so much. You guys already know that. I use this basically in every look I do because it's got almost all the colorful shadows that I need, and it's pigmented, like really pigmented, you can see. So I'm just going to take the red shade and put that halfway across my crease. Like I'm really taking it high above my crease. You can see it's very close to my brows. It's very close to my brows. So I'm just using a very tiny detail brush to pack that in and softly blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with an orange shade to blend out the red, and after the orange shade I went in with a yellow shade, not from the MORPHE palette. The yellow shade I use is the Single Shadows from Coastal Saint in bright yellow. Yeah, that's what I use. So I'm just going to blend everything out and go back in one more time with all the colors to make sure it's pigmented as much as I want. Okay, the yellow shadow I used is not from Coastal Saint. It's from the Sleek Eye Divine Collection palette. I think they have different kind of palettes from the Eye Divine Collection. I don't know which palette this one is, but it's just from the Eye Divine Collection from Sleek Makeup USA. Going back into that Sleek palette, I'm using the purple shade there. I'm going to place that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to pack in that shade and make sure it's very pigmented. And I'm going to blend that the purple with a pink shade from the MORPHE palette. To blend out that pink, I use some kind of a soft coral shade, kind of like a peachy shade. It's very light. I just wanted to blend out the edges of that pink so that it has like so that it is pretty seamless, and there are no harsh lines. So just wanted to blend out the edges of the pink so it is smooth and seamless. And I'm going to cut my crease using the same LAGIRL Pro concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease halfway. It's not a full cut crease, just a half cut crease. And I'm going to pat down the concealer and make sure I have a smooth canvas to work with. And right on my lid, I'm going to go in with all the shades we applied from the I'm going to apply the not all the shades. I'm going to apply the purple, to blend out the ash line between the purple shadow and the concealer, and then I'm going to go in with the pink and then the soft coral shade. Also, I used an aqua liner from EH Beauty. Yeah, I'm going to link their Instagram handle to this video. It will be in the description box. I used their vivid white aqua liner to create, to sharpen the cut crease. I just place that called the cut crease. And lastly, I'm going to apply gems to the eyes. Lashes, these are just random lashes, and I just applied some shadows to them to make it tie in with the eyeshadow look. And I used the duo adhesive glue. I apply it directly to my lash line, and then I'm going to apply the lashes. Moving on to our face, to prime my face, I use the Blossom Makeup Pro Face Primer, and for foundation I'm using the Maybelline Fits Me in 340 Cappuccino. I know my lashes are kind of sticking out, like sometimes my tear duct area gets super sensitive, like it gets teary and all of that, so it's hard for my lashes to stick on sometimes. So I just leave it like that. Then once I'm done with my whole face, I just go back in one more time with the glue and stick it back on. Then I could just end up the video. So if you see my lashes sticking out, don't mind it for now. By the end of the video, I would have fixed it. So I'm just going to spread the foundation all over my face and use a foundation brush to blend it out. I'm thinking this brush is from ABH, I don't know. I'm just going to blend out with foundation. And moving into concealer, I'm using the Elegant Pro in Cool Tan. I'm going to apply this to the eye points of my face, and I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so I already set my concealer, and I'm baking right now. I'm just completing my eyeshadow. I applied a very light pinky shade to the inner corner as a highlight, and underneath on our lower lash line I applied a green shadow, and I used a very light green shadow to blend it out. Same shadows from the Morphe palette, and my waterline I used a blue eyeliner for that. And I'm just testing away the product, guys. I'm so tired. If you guys can't really hear me, I'm very tired as of this point. I've not been feeling too well lately, but I just wanted to put this video up for you guys, so you guys will have something to watch on my channel. I just wanted to put out with new content, so I'm sorry if I'm sounding a little bit down. I'm really sorry. I'm not really fine. So I'm just going to apply blush, and I'm using a pink blush. Okay, I already did my lips off camera. I just applied a brown lip liner and a kind of a peachy lip. It's a nude lip, but it's got some like pink or peachy undertones to it. You guys can just see it. And then I'm going to do my brows and then apply my artificial moles. Yep. And yep, I think this completes the look. I'm just going to take off my wig cap and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. It came out super beautiful. Like I said, this look has already been on my Instagram page for like more than a month now, and yeah, I've been saving this video. I've been wanting to upload this video, but like I said, I've been dealing with some personal stuff, so I've not been active on YouTube. I've not been posting on YouTube for like a month now, and I'm really sorry, but I'm back, guys, and I'm just going to try as much as I can to be consistent here from now on. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Support me, motivate me, and also share this video to anyone you think would like content like this, and comment down below what you love about this makeup look or what else you'd like to see from me. Also, guys, do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Dinmacoco on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. You guys should follow me over there. I'm more active on Instagram these days, and you guys don't want to miss my post because I post like every day on Instagram, new content every day. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.